Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your one-stop shop for all things mobile magic. Today, we are tackling one of the scariest moments every Android user has faced, accidentally deleting a video. Yep, that is heart-stopping. Oops, when your precious vacation memories or adorable pet videos vanish into digital oblivion. Don't panic, we are here to save the day and your videos. In this video, we will dive into 4 foolproof methods to recover deleted videos on Android. Here's what we will cover. Checking the recently deleted folder. Yes, your phone has a secret trash bin. Using Google Photos Backup. Google to the rescue. Employing third-party recovery apps for those tough cases. Restoring videos from your SD card or cloud storage if you are the backup savvy type. So grab your Android phone. Let us Sherlock our way to those lost videos. Step 1. Check the recently deleted folder. First up, the recently deleted folder. Think of it as your phone's guilt trip folder. It keeps your deleted files just in case you change your mind. Here's how to check. Open your gallery or Photos app. Look for the recently deleted or trashed folder. If your video is lounging in there, simply tap Restore, and lo and behold, it is back like it never left. Pro tip, most phones keep deleted files for about 30 days, so don't procrastinate. If you are thinking, I will do it later, trust me, future you will thank you for acting now. Step 2. Recover using Google Photos Backup. Next up, let us talk about Google Photos, aka the superhero of cloud backups. If you have automatic backup enabled, chances are your video is safe and sound. Here's what to do. Open the Google Photos app. Tap the search bar and type in keywords related to your video. Scroll through, and if you find it, tap Download. Save it back to your device. And if you are wondering, what if I don't have Google Photos set up? Well, it is never too late to start. Backup now or buy later. And before we proceed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step number 3. Use third-party recovery apps. Okay, if the first 2 methods didn't work, it is time to bring out the big guns. Third-party recovery apps. Apps like Digger or dr.fone specialize in finding lost data. Here's the drill. Download a trusted recovery app from the Google Play Store. Grant the necessary permissions. Don't worry, these apps won't steal your cat videos. Run a scan to locate deleted videos. Once you spot your video, tap Recover and save it back to your device. Now, a word of caution. These apps are powerful but not magical. They work best if you act quickly and have not overwritten the deleted data with new files. Step number 4. Restore from SD card or cloud storage. Last but not least, let us talk about SD cards and cloud storage. If your video was saved on an external SD card or synced to services like OneDrive or Dropbox, recovery might be a breeze. For SD cards, insert your SD card into a card reader. Connect it to a computer. Use file recovery software like Recover to scan and restore files. For cloud storage, simply log into your cloud account, locate your video, and download it back to your device. This method is great for those of you who love backups as much as I love a good tech fun. Seriously, always back up your files. And there you have it, 4 easy ways to recover your precious videos. But before you go, let us talk prevention because, let us be real, nobody wants to go through this drama twice. Enable automatic backups on Google Photos or your favorite cloud service. Regularly transfer important videos to an external drive or SD card. Double check before hitting the delete button. Seriously, no speed deleting. Remember, your Android phone is smart, but it is not psychic. Backups are your best friend. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in into Wireless Solutions channel. I hope today's tips help you rescue those cherished moments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are prone to accidental deletes. And hey, let me know in the comments, what is the most important video you have ever recovered? I'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, stay tech savvy and keep your videos safe. Bye for now.